Hello, and thank you for joining me for a quick look back at the December 2023 quarter. The end of one year and beginning of another is a time for reflection and renewed motivation. At Kingsrose, we've done just that, to carry forward the successes of the previous year while ensuring we take a hard look at ourselves to find opportunities for improvement or where change is needed. Kingsrose is in a privileged position as an explorer with about 27 million in cash, and since the sale of the Wailingo project, we've established Kingsrose as a premier explorer in the Nordics, securing what we believe to be the highest potential critical minerals projects in the region and building a first-class team. This began with Penikat, which we believe to be one of the highest grade PGE dominant projects globally, with over 25 kilometers of outcropping mineralized strike extent and situated in Finland, aligning the project well with the EU Critical Raw Materials Act and in the face of challenging South African and Russian supply dynamics. Due to the Natura 2000 environmental designation, Kingsrose has spent the past 2 years doing detailed environmental studies and planning a best-in-class, low-impact drilling program. During the last quarter, we submitted our Natura assessment for a portion of the area to support our application for drilling permits, and we're pleased to have received a positive statement from the regional environmental authorities. This is a key step in the process and means our timelines are on track to commence drilling in December 2024, yet we note that we could be delayed by appeals. In early 2023, Kingsrose was also selected to participate in the BHP Xplor program. This was a great endorsement of our exploration concept, as well as our team and approach. By trawling through archives and working in partnership with the Norwegian Geological Survey, we've reinterpreted a huge exploration database for the region, which led to staking roughly 4,000 square kilometers of mineral tenure in Norway and Finland. We're particularly excited to see early ground truthing of targets already discovering outcropping high-grade copper and PGE mineralisation. It's a rare opportunity to secure the entirety of a mineral belt as we have in Norway, and we believe potential exists for multiple discoveries. However, these regional concepts are very much at the grassroots stage, and the areas require careful consideration of local environmental concerns and indigenous rights. Our vision is to conduct ourselves differently to those who have operated in these regions in the past, and work towards community-led decision-making to create shared value through mineral discovery. We believe we're sowing the seeds of a great opportunity. New discoveries will require exploration of new areas and new approaches. However, we also recognize that value creation for our shareholders from a share price perspective from this project will take time. And as such, our aim is to secure a partner to fund the early stages of the work, allowing Kingsrose to preserve its cash balance for more advanced opportunities. Given the timeframes associated with Penikat and our regional exploration concepts, in early 2023, we also secured an interest in and consolidated the brownfields Råna nickel-copper-cobalt project through a joint venture agreement with Metals One and an option agreement with EMX Royalties. In a few short months, we established an operational base and conducted the largest exploration program in Norway of 2023. Through applying modern geophysics and geological understanding, we believe we are rewriting the interpretation of the Råna intrusion. And we've been successful in identifying multiple new prospects, including drilling 26 meters at 0.7% nickel, 0.3% copper, and 0.1% cobalt at the Randbogen area. And some of our highest confidence targets are still remaining to be drill tested. Råna represents a great exploration opportunity with a combination of proven nickel fertility, large-scale potential, infrastructure, and within a secure jurisdiction. However, we also recognize that results to date have not translated to positive share price performance, and we're in a weak nickel price environment. Therefore, looking to the exploration season ahead, we will take a balanced approach to expenditure on the project. We've learnt a lot about what targeting techniques work best, and will apply these across the intrusion, leading into a refined drilling program to test the most compelling targets in the Norwegian summer. Kingsrose remains in a healthy financial position, with about $27 million in cash. Our view is that despite the long-term decarbonisation and security of supply thematic, investment interest in mineral exploration globally is low and many company valuations are depressed. Yet this presents an opportunity for Kingsrose to secure a more advanced asset where our cash can deliver significant value creation by demonstrating resource growth and a potential development pathway. As such, we're running an intense business development effort to identify opportunities to complement our earlier stage portfolio. I will be in Perth in early February, introducing the Kingsrose story to investors, and I look forward to meeting with current shareholders. In March, we'll also be attending the PDAC conference in Toronto and then the Swiss Mining Institute conference in Zurich. We look forward to delivering on a number of exciting catalysts over the coming months and keeping you informed along the way.